Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna good. First, let's talk about selecting the right tuna. For a richer, more robust flavor, I recommend choosing canned tuna packed in olive oil. If you prefer a lighter option, tuna packed in water is an excellent choice. Always look for sustainably caught varieties to ensure you're making an environmentally conscious decision. This foundational step sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's gather our essential ingredients and get mixing. Begin by thoroughly draining your chosen tuna, ensuring no excess liquid remains. Next, transfer the flaked tuna to a bowl. Add about 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of tangy Dijon mustard. These ingredients form the delicious base. Then, finely dice about 1/4 cup of crisp celery, adding a wonderful texture and freshness to your mix. To truly elevate your tuna, we'll focus on enhancing its flavor profile. Squeeze in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This brightens the entire dish beautifully. Next, stir in about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped red onion for a delightful, zesty bite. Season generously with about 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an extra layer of freshness, consider adding a sprinkle of fresh dill or parsley. Finally, let's explore some delicious ways to enjoy your perfectly prepared tuna. A classic choice is serving it on 2 slices of toasted bread for a satisfying sandwich. For a lighter meal, spoon it over a bed of fresh, crisp greens. You can also fill crisp lettuce cups for a refreshing, low-carb option. Or, for a warm and comforting treat, melt it with your favorite cheese on an English muffin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.